and boys, are we having a good day so far?
Yes!
Well, believe it or not, it's about to get a little bit better, because now it's time for the main event. Bring on the Royal Marines Commandos! Big cheer! Let's go! Okay, we'll cover some safety points before we start. The Royal Marines are trained in these moves and techniques. At no point try this at home, especially fathers and sons. Alright, make sure, just watch it, do it. All the moves you see today are part of our close combat syllabus, but some moves are done purely for your entertainment. It's not hard to see which one. Are you ready to do some fighting?
Yeah!
Okay, the louder you cheer, the harder the lads will go. So make sure we're nice and loud. Let's see some blood if we can. Yep, Brett, up and that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, in Royal Marine training, recruits have 18 periods of close combat fighting. That starts from the floor, doing groundwork, to on our feet, doing strikes, with our feet and knees, fists and elbows. We do that because of the nature of our job. There might be certain situations where a Royal Marine is confronted by an attacker and the use of a weapon is not an option. If that happens, we need to know how to protect ourselves and how to bring him down. Also with that, it gets the lads used to have a knock or two and cracking on with a job rather than crying about it. Here are a few defences he can use disabled grabs and holds. First, against a two-handed grab from the front, the inside release and kick! Or against a single-handed grab from the front, the outside release! Impaled around the neck, place shoulder throw! And finally, again from the front, the break grip and monkey climb! Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen! Hold up! That's what we're after. So close combat is also used to capture and to detain a high-value target on operations. From there, we've arrested that person to get back to our base and get more information from him. Also is used to control hostile crowds, either abroad or in this country. For example, a couple of years ago with the riots in London and Bristol, I guarantee you, for the Royal there, we'll sort it out in minutes, not days. That's how we work. Now you'll see some moves that involve strikes and kicks. Firstly, against a kick, the chin check and knee! With gooseneck, arrest! Next, leg catch and chest strike! With leg bar! This time, the hip toss! With arm bar! And finally, against a kick, the head block and kick! Until we get arrest! Applause in! Remember, nice and loud, not too harder, nice and loud. Okay, so all the skills and techniques taught to a Marine must be regularly practiced. Therefore, you build up all that muscle memory, so when you're in that situation, you can act quickly and distinctively. So back in Commando units and throughout training, we regularly practice these sort of moves. First, the leg sweep! Straight to the armbar! Next, the anaconda! And finally, a Royal Marine favourite, the rear naked! Put into sleep! Okay, big round of applause again then! I'm liking this crowd already, nice and loud. Okay, there may be times then of combat operations where a Royal Marine is confronted by an attacker with a weapon. That may be a baseball bat, a knife, a cross, something like that. Again, we need to be trained to deal with that threat. So again, we practice that sort of situation. We'll now see some moves and techniques he can use to disable someone with a weapon. First, against a pistol, disarm and roll! Against a knife, return to sender! Attack by a car, leg sweep and chest strike! Attack by a bat, strike and arrest! And I'm balling back. Finally, against a pistol, disarm and roll! Anybody who thinks I can't do it anymore, better step right back and take. Big round of applause again then! So, on certain operations, there may be times where we need to dispatch a sentry from his position, because he'll be guarding a specific area. Like the man stood here, here's the sentry. To take him down, we should get to him as silently as possible, so no one make any noise, especially these little kids. Keep nice and quiet. And now I'll see some techniques we can use to dispatch a sentry. First, a leg drag. Shh, keep quiet. Next, the grot. And now, my personal favourite, the Japanese headlock. Now, the kick and grab. Set him up, set him up. That's it. Go easy, go easy on him. Throw him down. And finally, the Sentry's worst nightmare. Disarm and blow to the stomach. Hit him, hit him. Okay, big round of applause. Okay, so normally we end it there. Well, do you want to see a little bit more?
Yeah!
Are you sure? You want to see some more? Okay, what shall we do to finish off? 3 on 1! 3 on 1, what a random thing to say. Right, so now we'll do 3v1. So 1 Marine against the other 3. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, I give you the king of the mat! It's all 3 of them, it's all 3. Next one. And definitely this one. Big round of applause again then. Right, again, I'll say it again, okay, do not try this at home. I don't want to see this out tonight when I'm having a few beers, alright, leave it for us to do. Hope you enjoyed it, thanks for watching. We're going to do another one down there, our area, it's the best area, because the Royal Marine area, down there at 15:30, that's 3:30, okay? One more, big round of applause, the Commando recruitment team!